How to create and fill forms. General properties of text fields. Click the Tools button and choose Blank from the panel. Set the page number, paper style, and other options, then click Apply. When creating a fillable PDF form, you might need to add text, images, or links to your files. To do that, click Tools, then click Edit. Use the buttons at the top to insert what you need. For more details, check out our Edit PDF video in the user guide. After creating the blank page, click Tools, then click Form to open form editing. Select Text field from the top toolbar, then draw a text box anywhere on the page where users should enter information. Drag to move or resize it as needed. Double-click the text box to edit it further in the right panel. Here, you can set the name of the text field. If you want multiple fields to show the same content automatically, give them the same name. For example, to sync the second field with the first, name them both Text2. Enter a tooltip here. It will appear when you hover over the text field. This helps users understand what information they should enter. You can enable Locked to prevent changes to the field's properties. Set it to read only to stop users from entering any data, or Required to make sure the field is filled before submission. You can also set the field's visibility here as needed. If the field content is fixed and known in advance, you can set a default value here. Users can still delete it and enter their own text if needed. You can also configure these options. Check spelling. Turn on spell check for user input. Multi-line. Let users type across multiple lines. Scroll along text. Add scroll when text goes beyond the field size. Allow rich text formatting. Enable bold, italic, and other formatting. Limit of characters. Set a max character limit for the field. Download UPDF now. Try it for free.